Hello guys, good evening. Tonight we'll have a tutorial about how to create another partitions inside your computer without reformatting it. Most of the time, if you will buy a new computer at the market, if you will open this PC, you will see that there is only one partitions inside, which is the local disk C only. We really need to create another partitions for that so that we can have another storage where we can save or back up our important files. Kasi pag nag-corrupt yung operating system natin, kasi yung operating system natin is nakasave dito sa loob ng local disk C. And pag mag-corrupt yan siya, which is isang storage ka lang meron, so mahirapan technician kung sino man yung ayos sa laptop mo, mahirapan ma-back up yung files. Okay? So, to secure your files, you have to create another partitions which is where you can save your important files. Okay, we can separate your important files. To start that process, you have to check first if your partitions, okay, is available to extend. As you can see here, I have a 1.23 TB, or that is a terabytes, and from this partitions we will extend this one, or we will create another partitions which is 500 from these locations. Okay, so to start doing this one, okay, this will be the process. Right click this PC and then select manage, then after select natin yung disk management, this one, and then so sa disk management guys, dito natin makikita conditions of your partitions. So, as I said a while ago guys, we can get another partitions from this storage. Okay, backup D. Right click natin. Kukuha tayo dito ng 500 gig. So, that means, ika-convert pa natin yan siya into MB later on. So, since ito yung locations natin, right click natin to siya, tapos select shrink volume. Okay? Shrink volume tayo guys. So, just wait. Querying volume for available shrink space. So, binabasa pa niya kung magkano yung available na pwede natin i-shrink. Pero, hindi yan siya lahat ang natin, isi-shrink natin or isi-separate natin. So, kukuha lang tayo ng 500 gig from this, So, since that is a terabyte, so, ang hinihingi kasi dito guys is enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So, hindi siya GB ang hinihingi, MB or megabyte ang hinihingi, hindi siya gigabyte. So, you have to input an amount here which is equivalent into MB. So, we will have, since we will create 500 GB, so that is equivalent into 500,000 guys. So, yan. 500,000 po yung equivalent yan sa 500 GB. So, after you input the amount that you want to create, click natin yung shrink, guys. So, make sure, guys, na pag nag-create tayo ng another partitions, hindi siya lalampas dito sa total size after shrink in MB. Baka sumubra yung capacity na na-input natin, guys. Okay? Like, for example, ganyan, no? Sobra siya. So, automatic ma-disable din yung button natin dito, guys. Kasi hindi na available yung space na pwede mong i-shrink or i-separate. So, kuha tayo ng 500. Okay, 500,000 lang. Or that is equivalent to 500 GB. So, shrink natin guys. Click natin yung shrink after. And then, just wait for the process. Okay, yan. Ito po yung makikita natin guys after. Unallocated space. So, we have here 488.28 GB yung available natin. So, ito po yung na-separate natin na 500 GB. So, exactly, hindi yan siya exact na 500 GB talaga yung makikita natin dyan. Okay? So, right-click natin to siya, guys. Then, ibig sabihin ng unallocated, guys, hindi pa to siya na-create as a partitions. Okay? So, hindi pa yan dito ma-display sa loob ng this PC or sa my computer natin. pero hindi pa din yan siya nadidakan dito. 1.23 terabyte pa rin siya. So, to create this as a partition, so right click natin to siya, new simple volume, then next, then ito po yung amount na separate natin kanina, that is 500,000 MB. Okay, then click natin yung next, then you can assign the following drive letter. So, you can select different drive. So, gamitin natin yung default guys, which is drive F, and click natin yung next. Then, format this volume with the following settings. So, before siya mag-continue, i-format muna niya. Kililinisan niya muna yung storage na yan, or yung volume na yan, or yung partitions. So, NTFS, set natin yung file system, naka-NTFS, or New Technology File System. That is the meaning of NTFS. And allocation unit size, which is default. And the volume level, yung volume level natin guys, you can change this one. Okay, for example, gawin natin local disk, yan, or another name. You can change that one. For example, data files. Okay, data files, o yan. So like for example click natin yung next. So you have to perform a quick format. Dapat naka-check to siya guys. Then next and finish. So antay natin to siya matapos guys. Kailangan healthy primary partitions. So the same din sila guys. After niya ma-format guys, saka na natin makikita yung another partitions dito guys. Okay? Meron na tayong ibang storage locations where you can save your files, where you can separate your important files with our operating system. Kasi pag isa lang yung partitions natin, mahirapan po tayo doon pag mag-corrupt yung operating system natin or masisira yung operating system natin. So, as you can see, nagbago na din yung capacity ng backup din natin. Nagiging 777 GB na siya, hindi siya TB or terabyte. Okay? Kasi nag-minus na po dahil dito. So, yun lang po yung process guys sa ano natin, how to create another partitions without formatting your computer. Now, what if I'm going to delete this one again and ibalik natin dito yung size na to. Okay? Ibalik natin sa backup din natin. So, you can still do that one. But before doing that, if you have any files here inside the data, like for example, you have a new files na text document, yan, my files. Before doing that, or before deleting partitions, dito pa rin natin yan siya gagawin guys, sa loob ng disk management. Okay? You have to back up first. Okay? Back up muna natin yung mga important files. For example, this one. So, copy muna natin yun siya. Copy, back. Isi-save natin dito sa backup dito. Since andito yung mga lahat ng important files natin. Then, paste natin dito. So, andito na yung my files natin. After doing that one, right-click this one. Then, delete volume tayo. Okay? Kasi mag-delete mo tayo ng partitions. Yan o. Deleting this volume will erase all data on it and back up any data you want to keep before deleting, or do you want to continue? So, continue tayo guys. Since tapos naman tayo nag-backup ng files. So, yes. Then, after that, magiging unallocated na yun siya. So, mawawala na po yan siya dito sa loob ng my this PC rather. So, unallocated naman siya. So, wala na siya. Hindi na siya available dito. So, after that, after ma-unallocated yan siya, so since yung capacity na to is i-merge natin ulit dito sa backup D natin na partitions. So, right-click natin yung backup D kung saan natin siya kinuha. Okay? Kung saan natin siya kinuha, doon natin siya i-merge ulit. So, i-right-click natin yun siya. Then, select natin yung extend volume. Yan. After that, click natin yung next. Then, wala tayong babaguhin dito, guys. Next lang tayo ulit. Then, finish. So, antayin natin yan siya, guys. 777 yung available kanina. So, titignan natin ulit dito. Ayan. So, reload natin, guys. Okay. Like, for example, or refresh. Yan. So, 777 GB. Refresh natin. Ayun, nagiging 1.23 terabyte na din siya. So, bumalik siya from the normal. So, that's the process on how you're going to create another partitions inside your computer. Either you're using Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows XP, just the same procedure, guys. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos to come, and like and shares. Okay, so I hope you learned something for my tutorials. Thank you.